I've got great news for you. I found this pretty new website that will pay you to complete really easy tasks. Plus, you don't even really need to put that much work into it because there's a free software that you can actually use to do all of the work for you. This is a great way to make some passive income. Plus, you don't need to have any special skills or experience to be able to earn money this way. Stay with me until the very end of this video to find out how.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Before I really get into it, make sure that you don't skip through the video though, because I'm going to be dropping tips throughout this whole video to help you make the most out of this method, and you might miss out on something really important. Again, there's not much work that you'll need to do to make money because there's a 100% free software that you can use to make it easier to get tasks done, so stay tuned to find exactly how. Before I get into the software that you'll be using though, I'm going to share this amazing platform that you can use to make cash fast. A bit later in the video, I'm going to give you a link to go to so that you can access this site. One of the cool things about this website is that you can access it from any country around the globe. Are you in India, the Philippines, Canada, the United States, or Australia? Well, you can use this platform. And even if you aren't from any of those countries that I mentioned, you can still make use of this platform. Want to earn money while on a cruise in the Caribbean? No worries, because you can still access this site. As long as you have internet connection, you can make money on this website without shelling out any cash of your own. So as you can see here, there are a lot of different ways to make money on this website. And if you want to be able to use free software to get the job done though, you're going to want to focus on typing jobs, proofreading, market research, translation, online teaching, and advertising. You can make more money if you delve into those categories. You don't need to use this method though if you don't want to, so you can try out other categories if you'd like. Anyways, if you take a look here, you'll see reviews from people who have actually made money from this site. So if you take a look, you'll find reviews from people coming from all over the world, and you could be one of them too. This site is cool because making money this way is super flexible. Want to make money while exploring the Amazon? Well, you can do that. All you need is internet and a device that connects to the internet. Plus, as I mentioned, you don't need to invest any of your own money. See right here, you can see that this site has been up for quite a while, and it's credible because people have actually left testimonials about earning money through this platform. To get started making money, you're going to want to look for where it says careers and then click on that. Once you do that, it should bring you to a page that looks like this, where there's a long list of jobs that you can do to make money. There are tons of different categories that you can choose from. Right now though, we're going to focus on proofreading jobs because this category is really easy to earn money in, and you barely need to do any work. How are your English skills? Not great? Well, don't worry, because you don't need to be amazing at English to be able to do these types of jobs. Even if you aren't fluent, you can still make some really good money with the help of this 100% free software that I'm going to share with you today. All you really need to do is copy and paste whatever you're working on into the software, and then the work will be done for you. Simple as that. You can proofread as many articles as you want, and the more articles that you proofread, the more money you can make. So to get started doing proofreading jobs, just click where it says online proofreading jobs, and you should be brought to a page that looks like this where there's more information. It'll show you how much you can get paid and so on. So as you can see here, this is how much you can make per 1,000 words. That being said, if you do the math, you could be earning this much or even this much. So this right here is a sample of the type of stuff that you're going to be doing if you're proofreading. So this article is a few pages long, and you could earn a pretty decent amount of money taking on this job. You're lucky though, because you found this video and I have a hack for you to make the job really quick and easy. As I mentioned earlier, all you're going to need to do is copy and paste, and then with a few clicks you can be done proofreading an article in no time. Just copy, paste, click, 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 and cha-ching. Before that though, I'm going to walk you through how to actually apply for a job, so listen up. To get started, just open up your browser and head over to cjinc.info. Now you're just going to want to click right here to get started on your sign-up journey. Once you've done that, it should bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can download the application form. So once again, to be brought to this page with the application form, you're going to need to select a job, and in this case, proofreading, and then click here, and you should be able to download the form. At this point, you just fill in all of the information that it asks for, and then you should be good to go. So just give them your name, email address, birthday, gender, and so on. When you get to the country part, you can just put in your country. As I said earlier, you can do this from anywhere, so it doesn't matter what country you put in. So I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you're here for all of the hacks, and I have another hack for you that will help you earn even more money. Under professional status, you're going to want to put that you're employed as a freelancer. This will help you land more jobs and make more money. Selecting unemployed kind of sends the impression that you're lazy, so you won't land as many jobs because they won't send as many your way. So be sure to select freelancer so that you can make more moolah. Now they're going to ask you what hours you're free to work, and what I would suggest is to pick the boxes that say 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this just shows that you have a lot of time available to be able to work, so it opens up more chances for you to land jobs. If you use a technique that I'm going to show you in this video, it should take you a couple minutes to get a job done, and you can do a lot of them in 1 hour. Plus, since you can do this from anywhere, you don't have to be stuck staring at a computer screen all day just to make money. Now, once you get to this box right here, you click on multiple companies, which pretty much just means that you're willing to work with a lot of different companies. After that, you're just going to want to pick how you'd like to get paid through this platform. And I myself would go with PayPal, but I'm curious, if you were to sign up, what payment method would you choose? Let me know down in the comments below, because I'd love to know so that I can offer you more options in the next money-making platform that I share with you. Anyways, after that, I'm just going to put in my PayPal email address. Now be sure to go over and make sure that you have it right, because you wouldn't want someone else to be getting paid for the work that you do. After that, just click, 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 and you're done. Congratulations, you're on your way to earning some cash. After that, you should start receiving emails with jobs for you to do, and they're gonna look something like this.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now you may be wondering, they've sent me an article. What do I do now? My English isn't that great. How am I gonna edit this article? Do not fret, I've got you. So you're gonna wanna open the article and then go ahead and select the whole thing and then copy it. Now you're gonna open up your browser and head over to slickwrite.com. This is an absolutely free website that is gonna do all of the work for you. It'll correct all of your errors in your article in seconds, so you can be done proofreading in no time. It helps fix grammar and stylistic mistakes. It pretty much does all of the work for you. SlickWrite will basically have the job done for you in an instant. You can try the demo out if you want, and there's also a video that shows you how it works. So you're just gonna paste your text in here, and then it's gonna correct all of the mistakes for you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now here's what it's gonna look like when you paste it, and then with a few clicks, you're done. You just need to hold on for a second for the site to do its work, and then it shows you all of the mistakes and how you can change them. Quick and simple. There's also another option that you can use, and it's called Grammarly.com. To find it, you can just head over to Google and search for Grammarly Proofreader, and then it'll be right here in the search results. Now here you can just paste the text from the article, and just like that, you're done. It shows you errors and how they can be corrected, and it'll even correct them for you. So I'm just gonna click, 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 and then now I'm done with this job. So as you can tell, this is a really simple way to make some money without putting in too much work. You can be on your way to earning hundreds of dollars in just a matter of minutes with the help of some of the platforms I have shared with you today. I really hope that you've been able to pick up new things from this video today, and I'll see you in my next one.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.